So as a public figure, you're going to get criticism. You're going to have people who are just trolls and going to respond negatively to what you're doing. And you're going to have to find a way to always be able to prioritize and focus through those items. So today, I want to make sure that the naysayers don't break it down over time. Because the reality is, you're going to need to sort through feedback that you receive. Because even sometimes you're going to get some constructive feedback from somebody that's going to hurt a little bit. So what I want you to do is I want you to try two approaches when you get feedback. Number one, separate out any feedback that's constructive and not constructive. We want to make sure that anything is just people venting goes into one group. Now, once we get into the constructive group, what I want you to do is separate the positive from the negative. And then I want you to start to break down within the negative feedback, what opportunities exist in that feedback. Where can you make improvements in your product or the way that you service your customers so that you can do better? So therefore, that negative feedback is not just a source of pain, but becomes a source of your next great idea.